Hi friends, welcome back to Moody Blooms. Today we're going to visit the grocery outlet bargain market, and I'm going to show you all the awesome plants that I found here. Some really great deals. I was quite surprised. So this is the selection in the front of the store. They have some beautiful mums, they have Anthuriums, they have some different houseplants and some cute succulents as well. So I was happily surprised. And of course my assistant Lola. These are the Anthuriums that they have here, and they have these beautiful red and pink flowers, and technically that part is actually not the flower, it's actually on the stem. There's little flowers that actually grow on that little yellow or white stem that kind of sticks out of the middle, but that's actually a part, it's considered a spathe or part of the plant, but it's totally fine to call them flowers because I do as well, but knowing they're not flowers. We have this cute Sansevieria. It is not a calla lily, but it is also $6.99. I did ask and check. So these run for $6.99, and different variety than I have. I have the very variegated version at home, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one up today. They also have some small assorted houseplants for $2.99, and a couple selections here to choose from. They also have some mums that are $6.99, and I thought this was actually a pretty good price for these. Great gift, great to bring to somebody who's hosting a party, and they're cute. They're also pretty planted in the ground in a flower bed. They also have these succulents, and these are in this cute little metal tin, and these are $11.99. And I like these because it had kind of a good mix in each one of different succulents. And I love this one right here. This one's one of my favorites. I love any fuzzy succulent is a win in my book. But I also love these as well. I mean, one of my favorites is the pink and purple rosettes, and those are just beautiful. Some silver Dollar Jades, and then these little bear paws in the bottom right. I just love those. I love the fuzzy succulents as well. So lots to choose from for this particular size. And then they have these little mini succulents, and these are so cute in these little pots. Definitely different varieties to choose from. And these are 3 inches, and they go for $5.99. My assistant Lola. The ogre's ears. Some cute Echeverias. These roses are also a steal, $5.99. Some of them didn't look so hot, but for $5.99, it's a steal. Okay, so I love this Sansevieria. I don't have this particular plant, and so I definitely picked this one up. This is another one of my favorites. It's sometimes called the oyster plant, or also known as Moses in the cradle. And this little beauty has these beautiful purple on the undersides, which are pretty dramatic and striking. It works both indoors and outdoors, and even better, it's easy to take care of. It needs medium to bright light and water about once a week or 2, depending on your conditions. Some spider plants. So somebody's dying to be in the video. So once again, here she is. But I love the Sansevieria. I actually took this home. I love the skinny leaves. I also drove home with this Anthurium on my lap. Yep, I am guilty. But I just love these. I think they're so beautiful. I love the red accent. So pretty. I'm gonna have an upcoming video that's dedicated strictly to the Anthurium plant. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified as soon as that video drops. But I picked this one because it did have some new growth on there, and I again love the red color on there. Thanks so much for joining me on my visit to the grocery market bargain outlet. I love your comments, so please leave any comments below. Also, please subscribe, hit the like button, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and thanks for joining us on Moody Blooms.